Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab. Buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day update, day 281. And today we're also going to find out, is Bitcoin going to $1,000? Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab where we can now invest in stocks and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currently sitting at $7,162 and it did dip below 7,000 for a little bit here. I've been saying for probably like a month here, if we did dip below the 7,500, it's gonna get rough. It's probably going to 5,000. So that's kind of what I expect in the short term. Recently, there was a very popular investor or trader. I think his name is Peter Schiff. And I gotta say, a lot of these older investors, they've been around a while. They've traded stocks since the beginning. They know their stuff. So I respect their opinions. But basically, he had a similar chart to mine. He said if Bitcoin goes below this 7,500 zone, its target is $1,000. And basically he uses a pattern, which is normally a very accurate pattern called a head and shoulders. So in this case, this would be the left shoulder, this would be the head, and this would be the right shoulder. So I'm going to show you his idea real quick so you get a better understanding of it. So here's the same chart. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And he says the target is 1,000. And that's just based on historical trading data that have similar patterns to this one. And that could be gold, stocks, any type of asset that has a similar pattern to this one. He's saying the typical target is $1,000. So let's hop back to Cash App. In my opinion, the next target is this kind of support zone right here, which is around 5,000. And if we can't catch support there, we're probably going back to the 3,000 zone, which is what we had right here for a little bit in the beginning of 2019. And if it doesn't catch there, you know, it's going way back to here. So is he correct? I have no idea. I'm in no position to judge that. All that I can say is, based on my experience, we're probably going to 5,000 or so. I would have a hard time believing that we go below 3,000, but really anything could happen in these markets. And you guys already know my philosophy. I think pretty much anything below 10,000 is kind of cheap. So that's the zone that I'm dollar cost averaging in. So I've been buying all through here for this experiment, and I'm going to continue to keep buying. So let's tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give me my order details, and I'm going to tap confirm. Tap done. Just like that, I purchased today's Bitcoin. I'm now sitting at $306.52 divided by 291 equals a 1.05x on my investment. So we're only up 5% after buying all of those days so far. Not looking that great, but we're still up. So all of the stuff that I bought through here is kind of doing good, but everything I bought through here is kind of looking rough, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep collecting this asset. I'd rather risk a little bit of money on one of the best financial opportunities that we will ever see than not be in the game. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Remember, this is an experiment. Do your own research, do your own thing. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So